So here I am playing with my balls, laundry balls. I had to have these because they are environmentally friendly. So I was told you do not have to use any detergent in your washing machine when you use these balls. What do they have inside? Some sort of structured ceramics that are going to create hydroxyl ions that are going to make water molecules smaller. That's what they say. Obviously, that is total nonsense. But I also have bigger balls, like this one here. And same kind of technology. This also supposedly has some sort of ceramics inside, and it produces structured water. And that structured water works better. Well, this has sort of a rough surface, so maybe there's some effect in scrubbing when this rubs against fabrics. But I have something else. I have this, the laundry disc. And this is really earth friendly. Is it science friendly? Well, according to the brochure that comes with this works on the principles of quantum physics, not chemistry. So obviously I had to have this as well. And believe it or not, I chucked out about $60 for this. Why? Because I wanted to have it as sort of a memento of nonsense, which is exactly what it is. There's a liquid sealed inside of it. I'm not sure what that is. I suspect that it is water. And they tell me that this works through quantum physics, although there's no explanation for what that means. But I guess these days quantum means anything that you want it to mean. And tells me that it changes the chemistry of the water. That's what they say, even though it's supposed to work with physics. And therefore, of course, you can eliminate detergent, and it works great, and it's environmentally friendly. Well, of course, it's environmentally friendly because you're not putting any excess detergent into the sewer system. Anyway, whether it's the balls, whether it's the large balls, or the laundry disc, the nonsense is there. However, as they say, the proof of the pudding is in the eating. So we don't dismiss these things just because there's no scientific plausibility and just because they use some pseudoscientific language. The question is, do they actually do anything? Because maybe there is some mechanism that we can't really think of. So of course, I gave it a try. I took some clothes, I took some white t-shirts, rubbed some dirt on them, and I tried them in water, I tried them in detergent, and I tried them with the disc and with my magical balls. Well, of course, the detergent worked, as one would expect. And so did the water, because water is a very good solvent. And of course, therefore, so did the disc and so did the ball work just like water. And people don't realize how good water is as a solvent. And also, very often you have residue of detergents in your fabric, which enhances the cleaning. So no, there is nothing to the laundry disc or to the laundry balls in terms of cleaning. And there's a lot of pseudoscience there, but at least now I have these things to put in my museum of nonsense. I wish I could tell you that you could do your laundry without detergents, but you can't. But one thing I can tell you is that you can use a lot less detergent than what they tell you to use, because there's a lot of marketing and telling you to use a great deal of detergent. Try it. Cut it in half. You'll see it won't make much difference. And that for today is our Cup of Joe.